YouTube for a while. I used Razer Basilisk V3 and I switched to a Logitech G703, which was a pretty good mouse, but it was missing some features of the Razer Basilisk V3 I wanted. But I wanted a few features of the Razer Basilisk V3, so I got the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro, which is basically this Razer Basilisk V3 but wireless, to replace this G703, which is probably going on my second PC. The main features I wanted back were the infinite scroll wheel, and also the sideways scroll wheel. But yeah, I guess it's time to open it. Okay, it's the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. Our most advanced gaming mouse yet. Wait, I'll show the other camera. It uses optical mouse switches Gen 3 for 90 million click durability. Focus Pro 30K optical sensor. Compatible with Mouse Stack Pro. And 10 plus 1 programmable buttons. It does look very similar, as I expected, and as it should. Okay, it's basically the same mouse feet. This must be the wireless adapter. It's like a dongle. Then in here, USB-C charger, so I can charge the mouse. There's also boring paperwork and stickers. I generally like to plug my wireless mouse directly into my mouse pad. So I've unplugged my G703. Then I'll plug in my Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. I better put it to 2.4 GHz mode. It can scroll normally, but it also has a hyper scroll mode, which is pretty good. I know this isn't like the newest mouse, but it is the type of mouse I like. Okay. Downloading the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro stuff. Yeah, sure. Need to restart. Get my PC, hurry up and restart. I recently added a Corsair Commander Duo to try and sync my AAO fans with the rest of my case fans because they're different type. And it's worked pretty well. You know what? Since it's literally going very slow, I will just show when it's done. Okay, my PC finally restarted, but it still has to update. Okay. It currently has 69% battery. I don't want it to cycle, I prefer the wave effect. Even though it's probably going to kill battery life if I put it a lot higher than 33, which is what it currently is if it will decide to focus. Might as well check 100. It is significantly brighter, as you would hope. Honestly, 33 is probably fine. Scroll wheel speed test. Mouse scroll test. Scroll as fast as you can. Okay, I'll try normally. I'll do 10 seconds. Your best is 18,900 pixels per second. I'd be faster if I didn't lift up my mouse, but I was trying to be dramatic. Okay. Now if you press the infinite scroll wheel button, your best is 46,500 pixels per second. Pretty good. And I guess I might as well test my CPS. The Panda. Smart but not fast clicker. Your finger even got faster. Yeah, I didn't really know how to end this video. It's just a mouse video, there's not that much to really say or do. So, bye.